Remitly is an online money transfer service that allows you to send money internationally quickly and securely. Here's how to use it. Create an account. Visit Remitly's website or download the Remitly app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up by entering your email address, creating a password, and verifying your account. Set up a transfer. Log into your account and choose the country you want to send money to. Enter the transfer amount and select the delivery method. Add recipient details. Provide the recipient's name and contact information. If sending to a bank account, input the recipient's banking details, such as account number and bank name. Choose payment method. Select how you will pay for the transfer. Review fees and exchange rates, which may vary based on the payment method and transfer speed. Send money. Confirm the details and complete the transaction. You will receive a tracking number to monitor the transfer status. Notify the recipient. Share the tracking number or delivery confirmation with your recipient for smooth retrieval.